let's unpack some makeup and hair stuff together. Let's start with makeup. And we'll start with the foundation. Here I have the Clarins. It's Skin Illusion. It's 103 neutral. It is stated to have bare skin effect, natural radiance, serum texture, and it lets skin breathe. I repurchase it again and again because I love the finish and I like the consistency. When you apply it, it's like tint. It absorbs into your skin and looks very natural. I love the smell. I love the smell of foundations. Here, the next one, I have powder. I tried for the first time. It's from NARS, Light Reflecting Satin Powder, pressed. The package here is matte plastic. It's not the full product. It's the mini version. It has only 3 grams. So first I thought there is some coverage on it, but no. It feels like it has some protection over the product, but I don't see anything here. I assume it's the powder itself. Feels like I get some powder on my fingertips, but I don't see anything here. As you see, I touched it with my nail and it left the mark, so I guess it's the powder itself, but it feels very strange. Usually I use loose powder, so for me this is new. I like to go there with my brush and put it all over the face. I love how it goes in everywhere and you are all white. Okay, maybe I will try it with some puffer. I saw a lot of reviews that this powder can last up to 3 years. I'll check it out. Before I applied foundation, then I applied my loose powder all over the face. And then I went with dry products like dry blush, dry contour, dry bronzer, what I felt like. But I want to try more glowy makeup. That's why I decided to order some things that will give me desirable effect. The next one that I have here is the Rare Beauty Soft Sponge Liquid Blush. I have the mini version. We have 3.2 milliliters. I love the opener here. Must be convenient. Smells like coconut for me. Let's get a swatch. Like this. Now I look at it and under the light it gives me a little of orange. Maybe it's the light problem, but here it's pink. Mini is so mini. I thought it would be larger. The Puffin Eye Mask. Dewy Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. The packaging needs to be for 1 milliliter. I can feel the cream. The last thing that I have here is the hair mask. It's Amika Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Mask. Here I got 250 milliliters. The consistency doesn't go out there. Smells like perfume, floral, but the smell is light. For me, the consistency is similar to coconut oil. So when you buy coconut oil, it also like this. When you take the mask, it's soft. I decided to try those recommendations from TikTok. Got myself a mask that I've got leave-in heat protector and oil. I haven't used oil for some time and I feel that I need one. So let's unpack another one. Here I've got only 2 products. These are the Gloss Absolute Anti-Frizz Glaze Milk from Kerastase. Pretty like water. Hyaluronic acid, glycolic acid and wild rosin oil. All in one smoothing spray for long hair prone to frizz. This super mild and multi-purpose spray instantly detangles, hydrates, smooths, eases, blow dry, absorbs, frizz and flyaways while protecting from heat and humidity. No weight down, apply on wet cloths blow dry. In case of contact with ice, rinse thoroughly with water. Okay. It has fruity smell. Smells like orange. So it'll be really lightweight. Here we have 190 milliliters. Here on both sides. Here it says lock, and here it says unlock. And then you can use it. Okay, and the last one, the last thing that I have here, Elixir Ultimate Iconic Hair Oil. When I got to the hair oil, I decided to get the full size, and here I got the refillable because I would like to not to buy the package again, just to refill the inside. Here is the glass with this pump, and here on the package it says how you can refill it. The glass and plastic, which you can refill, so you can buy this one separately and then just, but it has the sound of moving inside. This one has very floral smell. I will apply it to my hair right away. So this oil is said to be heat protector, so I'll check it and see how it works. If you want to see my new makeup look or want to see my hair after all those things, like before and after, leave your comments below and I'll make those videos. If you've got any of these products or you've tried any of that, please leave your comments. I will be glad to read them. Maybe you have any recommendations. Stay with me so we can discover more cool stuff together. Thank you for watching, ladies. See you in the next videos.